Hello everyone, in this experiment we are testing acid and base with litmus paper. The required components are litmus paper blue and red color, watch glasses, 2 spatulas, test tube stand, washing soda, baking soda, caustic soda, citric acid, acetic acid and hydrochloric acid. Now let's test bases with litmus paper. Let's take washing soda and place in a watch glass. Let's take a pinch of washing soda in a watch glass. Let's take baking soda, a pinch in another watch glass. Mix with water. Now take a bamboo stick and mix it this base with the water. Now take a litmus paper blue color. Let's take a litmus paper and place it in a washing soda. The color won't change. You can observe blue remains still blue. Now let's take red color litmus paper. And place it. You can observe it is slowly changing its color to blue. Now take another litmus paper and place it in baking soda. You can observe this color quickly changes in blue color. Now let's go to acid and make a test with litmus paper. Place few drops of HCl in this glass. And place red litmus paper in that acid. You can observe the color doesn't changes. Let's go for blue color. You can observe the color changes to red very quickly.